What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a quick install and review on JBR Solid Shifter Bushings for the Speed 3. Now I got these from Edge Auto Sports, great guys over there. Be sure to go check them out. I'll leave a link for this product down below in the description. Now these are $25, but then it costs them for shipping, so altogether it was like $39.44 or something like that, and I got them within a week. Hopefully it's worth it. We're going to see in the review if it was worth the $40. Hopefully this is a good angle. I'm sorry I don't have a cameraman right now, so I had to use my like gorilla tripod thing. Just open it. Oh my god, the heck. Don't open the packaging in your car because it's like insulation. All right, we do not need that. Throw that right out. Now these are the shifter bushings, pretty basic. Now this piece is going to go on the bottom just like that, and then this piece is going to go on top, and there's going to be some bolts that I believe are 10 mil, but we'll go over that. First things first, you're going to want to remove your center console piece. So just kind of pull up on that. Try not to be too rough on it or break anything. So that comes out fairly easy. Just throw that down there, and then this piece will come up. There's 4 bolts you need to remove. One's right here, another right there, and then 2 in the back right there and there. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and I'll be right back. Now what you're gonna wanna do is pry up the metal piece that's in the bushing right here. This is the rubber bushing. Pry up that, and so that can be removed. And then after that, you're going to want to take the rubber bushing and kind of push it down. And that's gonna be the easier way rather than going up. And that's how we're gonna get the bushings out. And then I will catch up after I do all that. Now, this is what the rubber bushing looks like once you push it out. It's gonna sit like that. Just push out with your needle nose pliers and it should come right out. They're all popping out really easily. I just have that last one in the corner to get to. Just a quick heads up, it's gonna be a wicked pain in the ass to get that back corner one out just because this thing's in your way and you can't really get in there that well with the tweezers. All right, now we're ready to put the solid shifter bushings in. This piece is going to go on the bottom just like that, and then you're going to want to put the plate in between it. Then the washer is going to go on top and then the bolt through. You don't want to do one at a time. You're going to want to do the bottom pieces all together and then make sure they're all lined up. All right, we're all done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we just have to connect these connectors back to the trim piece. All right, put that back in. These all just clip in really easily. Basically just doing the reverse of what you had done to get it all out. That's all good. And then our shift knob. There. Okay, so install's complete. Initial thoughts. It's much more poppy. It's much more like direct. It's not as sloppy. Like that's third. Let's take it for a drive. Okay, so today is a different day. Obviously I didn't just change for the video. My GoPro died and I figured I would just use my G7X because the audio is just a little bit better by far. The solid shifter bushings have been installed for a few days, and I figured that I would do a review now rather than like my first impressions. Overall, I absolutely love these solid shifter bushings. These are from edgeautosports.com. They were like 40 bucks. I think it's well worth it. When you're doing hard pulls, it's a lot easier to find, especially third gear. It just feels more direct, like it's just pop, pop, pop. Really easy to find the gears, and I don't know why this lady is sitting on a lawn chair in like an island at an intersection, and she's just chilling. But you do you, lady. Now, just 2 things. Number 1, the packaging wasn't the best. There was like insulation in it, which I'm not sure why. I'm not really a fan of that. Alert. The installation was a breeze. I mean, it took like 20 minutes altogether, and I was even filming too. The only downfall is that I had to pay shipping $15 when the product was $25, and That's really my only complaint. About the product itself, I have no complaints. I would say the jelloiness that the rubber bushings give you from going, especially from the second to third, that's like 95% eliminated.
Hey, alert.
This isn't going to make your car faster, it's not going to add horsepower. However, if you're always missing third gear, which I mean, you probably shouldn't be driving it hard if you keep missing third gear. But I mean, if you miss third gear quite often, this would be an easy upgrade to help eliminate that issue. And then in return, your car will be quicker because I mean, you were driving it and you kept missing third, that would make your car slower. I apologize for my roof rack. That's gonna be kind of annoying in the video. So I'm just gonna do a few pulls now and then we'll go from there. Feels a lot better. Now I'm gonna go to the gym, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a really quick review, quick install. Once we hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway on one of these. Be sure to subscribe for more content just like this. And the next video, I will actually be reviewing the Scan Gauge version 2. Now that's kind of like a computer monitor that tells you like your levels and such. It has similar features as an access port, but without like the tuning aspect of it. So we'll be doing a full review on the Scan Gauge, and that thing is just blowing up right now. So I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content, and I will catch you guys in a couple days with a review on the Scan Gauge 2. Peace.